Hello and welcome back to the channel. This week I'm going to change an air filter on a 1980s Citroen BX. My name is Alex and this is All Things Alex. I bet you can't wait. So since buying the car I've changed some service items. New cap and rotor in there as well as leads. I've changed the fuel pipe going to the pump as well as a new inline filter just around the back there out of shot. But today's little task is to change the air filter. So very straightforward setup on these. The air filter is housed in here, and to get this off you've got to remove this plastic top tube. That's held on with a 10mm bolt. There's a spring clip around the back there which just holds it to the back of the car, and then we've got to put a screwdriver in there, undo that top feed tube, then that'll lift off, removing the all breather ventilation pipe at the same time. So I've got the 1.4 engine in my BX. I've gone for a common line filter, part number EAF019. Very straightforward piece of kit. It's just all one piece. The top of the filter housing is actually the top of the air filter, so just clips in place, remove the old one, put the new one in. Simple. What else have we got in here? O-rings. You don't need those. So without further ado, let's get some tools out and we'll get it fitted. So first things first, I'm just going to remove that 10mm bolt. How long is this bolt? There we go. Right. Put that on the inner wing so you're guaranteed to lose it later when it falls off. So put in the back, just do that. That should be fine. So there's a spring clip around the back here. Well, how tight is this? Jesus. Got that. Then I need my screwdriver. I'm going to put that out of the way now. That was tight. Not. It's also a breather pipe here, you just got to pull that out. There we go. So a bit of a wiggle. Where's my glasses? So in all seriousness, I can't see an O-ring anywhere, but I'm going to unclip the filter housing, twist it because it locks into position. Well, are you going to come out or what? There we go. Yeah, I'm not seeing an O-ring anywhere, so this is a bit caked up. Can't see. Doesn't smell too bad actually. Might be the original one to the car actually. But I'd say probably ever do a change. We got one. There's no dirt or debris in there, which is good. Yeah, I can't see where to put an O-ring, and certainly in the Haynes manual it doesn't mention it, so we're just going to fit it. That's it. Then place the airbox back on. Get your breather pipe. Unlock it. Now kick that breather back on there. So I've noticed with these spring clips they're quite tight, so I'm going to employ the services of a screwdriver just to help me get that back on. That's it. And while we're at it, snip that hose clip up as well. Job done. Right, that should be it. So just out on a bit of a test drive, just want to make sure everything was fine. It's going to be alright, but I just wanted to make sure everything was okay. So get round about there, don't see the point of those. Yeah, beautiful, driving it absolutely spot on. I've got this booked in for a coolant and oil and filter next week. I could do the work myself, but where I'm living at the moment, my neighbours are a bit funny about me working on my own car, which has been an ongoing problem. Those of you who follow the channel will know this. I don't like the idea of dropping coolant and oil in my in a communal car park, so I've taken to a garage and they're going to do the work for me. It's a garage I used to work at, so I know that the staff there are spot on, and they'll take care of it. So maybe some pictures of that. Maybe some pictures of that coming soon. Anyway, I'm going to head back to the flat now and finish up the video, and hopefully get this online later today. So thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate all the support and comments on the channel. It really does help me and motivates me to do more videos for you guys. So yeah, until the next time, I shall see you soon.